1 second. Always forget about the sounds. Anyway, so today, pretty basic. We're just going to be painting. How do we go from no ideas about a painting to developing an abstract painting and just letting one action lead to the next action and so on and so forth until you've got a complete abstract painting that you love? Follow me and you're gonna find out. Also, take a quick second to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications of new videos, and let's get going.